Hey everyone, if you need to combine two columns of text in Excel, there are several ways to do it depending on your needs. I'll walk you through 5 methods from simplest to most powerful so you can pick what works best. The quickest way is the ampersand operator. Click on the cell where you want the combined data, then type equals A2 ampersand space in quotes, ampersand B2. The quotation marks around the space add a separator between the values. Press enter, then drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to other rows. If A2 has Sheldon and B2 has Cooper, you'll see Sheldon Cooper in your target cell. If you're using Excel 2019 or newer, you can use the concat function instead. Click your target cell and enter equals concat, open parentheses, A2, comma space in quotes, comma B2, close parentheses. Press enter and drag down. The result looks identical to the ampersand method, but some users find this syntax cleaner when combining multiple columns. If you need to combine multiple cells with a separator or handle blank cells automatically, the text join function is perfect for that. In your target cell, type equals text join open parenthesis space in quotes, comma true, comma A2, comma B2, close parenthesis. True tells Excel to ignore empty cells. Press enter and drag down. The combined values appear with your specified separator, and any blank cells are automatically skipped. This requires Excel 2019 or Microsoft 365. If you don't want to use formulas at all, try Flash Fill. Type the combined result manually in cell C2 exactly as you want it, like Sheldon Cooper. Press enter, then select cell C3. Go to the Data tab and click Flash Fill, or just press Ctrl+E. Excel detects the pattern and fills the rest of the column. You'll see a gray preview or the column fills immediately. Keep in mind these results are static and won't update if your source data changes. For large datasets or repeating workflows, Power Query is the best choice. Select your data range including headers, then go to the Data tab and choose From Sheet or From Table/Range. This opens the Power Query editor. Hold Ctrl and click both column headers you want to merge, then click Merge Columns on the Add Column tab. Choose your separator like space or comma, name the column if you want, and click OK. A new merged column appears in the preview. If it looks right, click Close and Load to export it back to your worksheet. One quick tip for the formula methods: if you want to convert those formulas to static values, select the merged column, press Ctrl+C, right-click, and choose Paste Special, then Values. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.